Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute jumping jacks V-ups Tabata workout with 2 other exercises, and we're going to start with jumping jacks, so get ready. Go! Jumping jacks, you've been doing these since you were a kid, but I want you to have perfect form. I want you to touch your fingers together above your head to open up those shoulders, and when your feet are wide, I want them at least shoulder width apart. Good. Stop. Next is V-ups. Lay down on your back, and you're going to get ready to fold yourself like a book with your front up and your back up. So get ready. Go. V-ups. Fold yourself at your waist just like a book. Your front up and your back up. Have your legs straight. You can bend your knees a little bit. Bring your feet all the way to the ground and reach up with your hands. Get your shoulder blades off the ground and touch your shins. Stop and up. High knee climbers. Going to show you how to do these. Get ready to run with your knees up high. Go. Run with your knees up high from the waist down, and then from the waist up, reach up there above your head. Total body exercise above and below the waist. Stop and down. Table saw, one of my favorites. You're going to be sitting in the crab position, and I'll show you what to do. Go. Sit in the crab position and go right hand to left foot and left hand to right foot. I'll tell you a little secret. It's easier if you stick your hand straight out and bring your foot up to your hand. So right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot, holding your butt off the ground. And that's the order. It's not going to change. Back to the beginning, jumping jacks. Go, jumping jacks. Now you know how to do them. Touch those fingers together above your head. And I want you to concentrate on your breathing. Breathe with a regular pattern. I tend to exhale every other jumping jack. Yours might be a little different. Stop and back down onto your back for V-ups. Get ready. Go. V-up. Now you know the form, folding like a book. Shoulder blades off the ground. And what I want you to do, breathing-wise, is exhale as you compress yourself and inhale as you straighten yourself back out. Stop and up. High knee climbers. Go. High knees from the waist down and almost a ladder climb motion from the waist up. Good total body exercise. Concentrate on getting those knees up. You can get yours up higher than I can. Just like you're climbing up the side of a building, really. Stop. And back down for the table saw. Now you know how to do this. Get ready. Go. Right hand to left foot and left hand to right foot. Great exercise for your upper body and your core, because you're going to keep your core tight. And breathing. Let's not forget breathing. Nice and smooth. Stop. Okay. We're going to take a 30-second break because we want the second set to be just as intense as the first one. Stretch out a little bit. If you got water, take a drink of water. Some deep breaths. Get yourself ready for round 2. Order's going to be exactly the same. Ten seconds. We're going to be going with jumping jacks first, so you're ready. Here we go. Go. Jumping jacks. Nice and smooth, because smooth is fast. Make your form perfect. I don't want you to sacrifice form for speed. Make sure you touch those fingers above your head. Open up that rotator cuff of your shoulders. Stop and down. V-ups. Ready? Go. V-ups with your front up and your back up. Folding yourself from your waist just like a book. Make sure you get those shoulder blades off the ground when you reach up for your shins. Stop and up. High knee climbers. Go with your high knee climbers. High knees from the waist down, ladder climb from the waist up. Should look like you're climbing right up the side of a building. I like to pretend that King Kong is climbing up the building under me and I'm trying to get away from him. Whatever motivates you. Stop and back down, table saw. Go, table saw. Right hand the left foot, left hand the right foot. Holding your body up off the ground. Fantastic total body exercise. Stop and up. Jumping jacks with 2 minutes to go. Let's finish strong. Get ready. Go. Jumping jacks as fast as you can. Good form. Nice regular breathing pattern. Stop, back down, onto your back for V-ups. Get ready. Go. V-ups with your front up and your back up. Exhaling as you compress. Shoulder blades off the ground as you reach beyond your knees to touch your shins. Stop and on your feet, high knee climbers with a minute to go. Go with your high knee climbers, knees up high, hands up high. It should look like Spider-Man climbing right up the side of a building. Stop and down. Table saw. Get ready, lift your butt off the ground. Go. Right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. And stop. Okay, if somehow this workout was too short for you, you can just rewind it and repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and make sure you click on this video for your next fat burning Tabata workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.